Alright, a couple sound samples of what I've been playing around with. So this is just amp. Pretty dry. Amps around 2.5 or 3. Little reverb. Little harmonic tremolo. Some reverb on the trem pedal too. Put the overdrive on, not so much for crunch, but probably just to cut a little bass. And then this has been fun, is using the delay as a modulation pedal. Here's that without the trem. Add a little slow trem. So it's kind of fun. That's about it.